Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. I want us to start the analysis with the chart on my screen. This is Euro USD. So on this chart, basically, if you use the moving average you're having, this is a 52 period moving average. You can see that the price is in a downtrend. So we've had price remain below this moving average from this day here. There was this breakout, then the price remained down for some times. It went up, it touched that level, it touched the same moving average, but somehow it couldn't sustain itself above it. So the fact that the price closed again below to the big candle was a sign that now you're heading downwards. So as it is now, this is a very good place to look for a sell position. We expect the sellers to continue to push price downwards. We have a level there, we have another level here. So it's like we have a support, there is this breakout, we have a resistance, a resistance, a resistance, a resistance, and a resistance here. So where the price is now is a good place to look for a sell position. We do expect the sellers to continue to push price downwards, especially if the price cannot close above this point here. So have a pending sell limit, have your stop loss there. Have your stop loss above the high of this candle, this one. Then you should have a take profit here. Have your first take profit here, and then the next take profit is this one. So technically what I'm saying is, if the price does not break above this line, this should be a good place to look for a sell position from. Our stop loss should be fixed at the high of this candle. Then our first take profit is this one, the next take profit is this one here. So the correct value for the one in between, this is 0.96315, and then the next one is 0.95349. My next chart is Gbp Usd. This is also a sell. The same thing which happened on Euro USD is the same thing which is happening on this chart. You can see that the price broke below that point. It went up but could not break above this moving average. So as we're speaking now, the price is still bearish. So we do expect the sellers to continue to push price to the lower side. We have a level at this price. We have a good level at that price. This is where we expect the price to retrace back up to. So we have a support, we have a support, we have a support, there is a breakout, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, and we have a resistance here. So we expect the price to sell off from these two lines here. My next instrument is USD Jpy. So on this chart the price is upwards. We are looking for a very good uptrend. You can see from this point here the price has been bullish for some time now. We've seen price continue to move to the upper side. So as it is now, despite the fact that there's this pullback here, we are actually looking for a buy from somewhere around this point here. So this should give us a good place to look for a buy from. If the price pulls back down and touches these two lines, then these are going to be the correct places to look for a buy from. That is my opinion on that chart. The next chart I want us to look at is gold. Gold so far is also a sell. We are looking for a downtrend. You can see that the same thing which happened on Gbp Usd is the same thing which has happened on gold. The price is below this moving average. We are currently seeing some pullback. The best place to look for a sell from on gold is actually around this area here. So that's the point where if the price can pull back up to, then that should be the place to consider sell positions from. Expect the sellers to push price downwards at least up to this level. where in case the price breaks below it, our next target is this one here. So we'll be looking for a sell when the price pulls back and touches these two lines. We'll expect a sell from within these two lines, at least up to this point. Our next target is the line we have at the bottom, which is this one here. So that is my opinion on that chart. The next chart is the SP 500. So nothing much has happened since yesterday. We still have the same thing we had yesterday. So we are looking for a sell here. We are looking for a buy, sorry, when the price comes down up to 3563.0, then that should give us the best place to look for a buy from. That's my opinion on that chart. We are looking for a buy when the price pulls back down and touches the line which I've just drawn, this horizontal line here, then this should give us an ideal place to look for a buy from. My last instrument for the day, I want us to look at the Brent oil. It looks like this has just entered into a sell place. The price has broken below this moving average. So as it is right now, you should keep looking for sell positions. Expect the sellers to push price downwards, at least up to this point here. So it is from these two lines where if the price breaks below them, then that will be a sign that we are now continuing to the lower side. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We are going to meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.